So where are we? In the last session, we have discussed about the switch case, right? So today we are going to discuss about the for loop, okay? Iteration statements. So what is meant by iteration statements? Guys, you should answer. The other name of iteration statements is
Looping statements.
looping statements. There are three types of iteration statements. One is while loop,
While loop,
hmm,
do while loop, for loop.
while, for loop. So these are all the three types of iteration statements we are having. What is meant by while? In actual English, what's the meaning of while?
Okay.
In case, while, what's the meaning of while in English?
At the same time,
What? What's the meaning of while in
at the
English?
at the same time or during that time. While means
Okay. Um. Okay. We will meet. We will meet while. Uh, Anybody can frame a sentence by using while.
Ma'am, while can be in case of.
Yes. In case of.
While I was going on this path or while I was going for shopping, so I met a friend of mine.
Yes.
So while can be used that way.
Yeah, in case of, in that case we can use, okay. So while is like a, mm, if the condition is true, then do these things, like that, okay. So here, once the while loop the condition is true, it will execute the set of statement until unless the condition became false. See, what is the syntax of while loop? While and the condition, okay. Then this is the starting of the program, and this is the ending of the program. So here, when we are writing the while loop, how to define it means, on top of the while loop, first of all we have to initialize. First we have to initialize, then inside the body of the while loop we have to increment. We have to increment. So this is the syntax of a while loop. See, what's the meaning of while loop? In case of, if the condition is true, do like this. But this is a iteration statement, right? So it will be continuously doing until unless the condition became false. So what is the syntax? Initialization, then while condition, then this is the body of the program. Here write some statements and then incrementation, then close the while loop. So this is the syntax of while loop. So I will write one example here. See, what's the meant by initialization? Nothing but initializing a field int a equal to 0, like that. Okay. Now or else 1. Now I am writing the while condition. While I a is greater than 10 or else a less than 10. Okay. Now writing the set of statements means what? System dot out dot println of a. Then what? Incrementation a plus plus. Okay. So this is the example of while loop. See. This is called as initialization. This is called as initialization. Initialization is nothing but taking a variable and assigning a value to it is called as initialization. Then while condition. While and then you are writing any condition. What's the value of a? 1. 1 is less than 10. True or false? 1 is less than 10. True or false?
True.
True. So the condition is true means what will happen? It will come into the block and it will execute the set of statements. What is the
Yes.
set of statements, sir? We are just printing the value of a. What's the value of a? 1. So it will print the value of a
One.
as 1. Then what is the next statement? We are incrementing the value. What is incrementation? A plus plus means, the meaning of A plus plus means, see, the meaning of A plus plus or I plus plus means this symbol is equal to A equal to, this is the A equal to A plus 1. The meaning of this one is A equal to A plus 1. Okay. See, plus plus A is also same. A equal to a plus 1 only, but this will be incremented on the spot. This will be incremented in the next statement. The only that is the difference. Okay, a, either a plus plus or I plus plus, any variable, if you are using this syntax a plus plus means the meaning of a plus plus or minus. What's the meaning of a minus minus? Tell.
Decrement.
Decrement. A equal to a minus 1. That is the meaning. Minus minus a is also same. A equal to a minus 1 only. But this is this will be on the spot and the above condition is in the next statement it will decrement. That's it. Okay. So a plus plus means in this syntax, what's the meaning of a plus plus here? What's the value of a here?
1.
1. Okay, so before when we are in the when we are using a if condition, so once the value is once it was seen the end of the flower bracket, where it was going, actually it was coming out of the program, right? But while condition iteration statements are not like that. Whenever it will see the end flower bracket, again the iteration will go to the while condition. Again it will come to the while condition. Now what's the value of a? Now what's the value of a? Already here the value became 2. Already here the value became 2, a plus plus. Now what's the value of a? 2. Okay, 2 is less than 10. Condition true or false? True. 2 is less than 2. True only, right? So again it will come to the block and it will print the statement. What's the value of a? 2. Next, again a plus plus. Now what's the value of a? It is 3. Again it will go to the while condition. 3 is less than 10. True. Then come into the block. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, a plus plus. Guys, you are listening or not listening?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
then you should respond, right. Now what's the value of a? It is 4. Okay, again it will go to the a. 4 is less than 10. True or false? True.
True.
So again it will come into the body and print the value of 4. Okay, now and now how many times it will repeat until unless the a value became
9. 9. 9
9.
times.
Yes, 9. 9 less than 10. True. Now it will come to the, it will print,
10.
it will print 9. No, 10 will not print. Okay, it will print 9. Now again a plus plus. Now a became 10. Again it will go to the condition. Okay, 10 is less than 10. 10 is less than 10.
It's equal to 10.
No, 10 is not less than 10. So what happened here? The condition. The condition became
False.
false. The condition became false. So whenever the condition became false, then our controller will come out of the then will come out of the block. Then it will come out of the block. So how many times it was iterated?
9 times.
9 times.
Nine times.
So now tell me, iteration statements will iterate how many times?
until it
Nine
falls.
times.
N number of times.
Till the
Number of times until
Mul-
unless the condition became false. It was continuously iterating. How many times the decision making statements will execute?
One time.
Only one time.
one time.
But the iteration statements will execute until unless the condition became
Multiple
false.
times.
Multiple times. It will execute multiple times until unless the condition became false. Clear? Clear the point? Everybody
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Yes,
Let's
yes,
see the
ma'am.
program. Go to new and then class and then write while program. Then finish it. Okay, so here I am taking first initialization int I equal to 1. I have taken. Now I am taking the while condition. While I is less than 10. Okay, now I was printing system.out.println of I. I have printed. Then what I have to do? I plus plus. Okay. So clear everybody here? Okay. Clear the program.
Yes.
Please compare
Yes,
this
yes.
program with the painter. So here whatever I have written, I have same written here but in a programmatical way. Now what will be the output? What will be the output?
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. So, shall we run it?
Yes.
See, what is the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I want to print 10, then what you have to give? Less than or equal to 10.
Less
Okay?
than or equal.
Yeah. So, you can print 10 as well. Now, everybody clear about how the while loop is executing? How the iteration statements are executing?
Yes,
Clear?
yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can.
Yeah. Now I will ask you one question. What happens if I did not increment? What happen if I put I value I incrementation as comment line? See, forward double slash is nothing but if you want to make any line as comment, then use this symbol. If you want to make any multiple lines as comment, then forward slash star and where up to where you want to comment, go there and then put forward like this star forward slash. Then multiple lines you can comment. But if you want to comment a single line, then go with double forward slashes. Now I am asking a question. What happens if I did not increment the I value? What is the output?
One only.
Sorry?
Number of ones.
One, ma'am.
One, one, one,
One.
one. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
no, madam.
Uh,
Only one. Only one. Here not
only one.
incrementing, right?
It will not increment. It will not added.
It will not add.
One is the
So,
output.
how
Print
many
only
times
one
the
number
one
of
will
ones.
come?
One time.
Only one time. Everybody on the
N
same
number of
answer?
times. N number of times.
Yes, yes.
N number of times means what? I want the exact word.
Might be up to 10 times.
10 times. No. Please think. See, if you really understand the concept, then you may get it. See, what I told, iteration statement will be continuously iterating until unless the condition became false. Then only it will come out of the loop. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me, what is the output? Please clearly observe. What happened? What is the output? See, you first of all you have to concentrate on how the condition is going to be false. Is the condition became false at any cost?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. Why it is not
No.
going to be became false?
One is always less than or equal
Yeah,
to
One is
ten.
less than
One
10.
is
always less than
always
10.
less than 10. We are not incrementing. Then how it will be come out of it? So in these situations, we will get a deadlock, nothing but a infinity loop. See, this is infinity loop. See here. See, observe here. It is continuously running. See, the taskbar is not stopping. Means like continuously it was printing one like that only. So at that time we will get stack overflow, memory out of memory leakage, like these errors we will get. So whenever we are working with iteration statements, we have to be very careful. Like we have to break the condition at any cost. Okay, we have to write the logic like that. We never miss any. We should not miss any logic in order to break the statement. So if you write like this, then stack overflow, memory out of leakage, then the server will become stuck. So like that, some errors will become. Okay, see, you're observing here, meaning like the console is little one, right? So it was printing on printing, so we are getting infinity loop. Clear, everybody? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also you're getting one like that. Okay, okay, see, let me I will stop it. So if I want to stop, we can kill it. If we kill it, terminate it, then it will terminate in the Eclipse. It's not terminating. Okay. See, I terminated. Okay, clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Now we will discuss about one important concept called as logical operators. In the same only we will implement these logical operators as well in the while loop and for do while. Actually, we can implement in the if conditions, switch case also we can implement. So what is meant by logical operators?
Comparison.
Logical operator means
Compare the two values and generate some Boolean result.
Yeah, some boolean result. Like we can see this in mathematics and in electronics, I think in BTech, right? So here the logical operators, we are
Yes.
having three types of logical operators in Java. The first one is called as AND. Okay. The second one is called as OR. The third one is called as NOT. So these are the three logical operators we are having in Java. In Java. Okay. So what is the AND operator? What is the AND operator?
Is like adding plus
Yeah, AND
another word.
operator is like AND operator like this. AND. Okay. Okay. So here, if I give the input like this, if I give input at 0 means false. Okay, 0 means false, 1 false, 1 true, 1 means true, 1 false and 1 true also, it will give false only. Okay, next, 1 true and 1 false. Okay, also false, also false, both falses, both zeros also, it will give 0.
Zero.
Zero.
Okay. If we give one true and another one also true, then only the output became true. Then only the output became true. So this is the AND operator. The symbol of AND operator here, the symbol of AND operator in Java is like this. This is the AND operator. Okay. So if, for example, if one, but you think like this: if one condition is true, another condition is if one condition is false, another condition is true, then then the resultant is like a false only. If one
False.
condition is true, another condition is false, then the result is also false. If one condition is true, sorry, false, another condition is also false, then the resultant is also false. If one condition is true, another condition is also true, then the result is true. Okay, so like that the AND operator will be designed. Okay, now we will see the clear, everybody. We will do programs, so don't worry. Okay, clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
Now,
yes.
yeah. Now we will see OR operator. What's the meaning of OR? If not, then one more, another one. That is the meaning, right? OR operator. Okay. So here
Yes.
we will see. Here one input. And this is OR operator. The symbol of OR operator is like this. Pipe symbol. This is the symbol of OR operator. Okay. So here, if we give one false and one true. Okay. Then one false, sorry, one true and one false. Also, if we give both false, sorry, both true, then true. If we give one
True.
false, another one also false, then only you will get false. So this is the
All right.
OR operator. So now compare this and OR. In AND operator, if both the conditions are true, then only the result is true. If any one of the condition is false, then the result is false. But OR operator is opposite. If any one of the condition is true, then the output is true. If both the conditions are false, then only the output is false. Clear? Clear, everybody? See, AND operator and OR operator. In this OR operator, if any one condition is true, also no problem. We can go and fetch the values. But in AND operator, it is not like that. Both the conditions must be false. Then only we will get the end result as true. Otherwise, no. But in OR operator, if one condition is true, then the output is true. If both the condition is false, then only the output is not false. Clear? Everybody clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Now, one more
Yes,
logical
ma'am.
operator is called as NOT. One more operator is called as NOT. Okay. So here, the NOT operator is like this. The NOT operator, the symbol of NOT operator is like this. Okay. Now, the syntax is like this. Now, it is quite contradictory. It is, if you say true, if you say false, then the output is true. If you say true, then the output is false. So like this.
False.
So this is the not means opposite. If you give false, then the output is true. If you give true, then the output is false. So this is the best examples of See, this is the logical operators we are having. Now tell me, what's the difference between AND operator and OR operator?
Both the conditions are true,
Uh,
then it will be true in AND operator. If any one condition is true, then it will be true in OR operator.
okay. What is meant by not operator?
If condition is true, then we'll get false. If condition is false, we'll get true.
Okay, good. So shall we see some examples on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I'm taking one more program. Okay. So here I'm taking int a equal to 10 or else a equal to 50. Now I was writing like this, while no, not like that. Okay, while a equal to 10. Okay, while a is greater than, no, a is, one second guys, let me think the example. I'm thinking about the best examples. We can write with the if condition. While is not suitable in this case. So, for example, I'm having, I want to find out the maximum value. Okay. So, I want to find out the maximum value. Then we will print it. Okay. So, I will take a scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner. And then import the, which package is scanner? Is in Java dot
Util.
till. Okay. Now I was taking some values. I want to print a maximum value. I want to print a maximum value. Okay. So I was just thinking int a equal to, okay, sc dot next int. Just take three values, okay, int b equal to sc dot next int, int c equal to sc dot next int. Three values I am taking and I want to find out which is bigger. Okay, now write down if now a is greater than b, a is greater than b. Whenever you are writing, we should kept in the flower brackets. If a is greater than b, and and a is greater than c, then who is bigger? Then who is bigger? A is bigger.
A.
A is bigger. System not out that println. A is bigger. A is bigger. Okay. And then print the value of A. Print the value of A. Now after then we are having else. Else if what to check? A is if B. Now B, right? If B is greater than A, B is greater than A and B
B
is
is greater than C.
C and B is
C.
greater than C. Then what to print? What we have to print? We have
B.
to print system
B.
cut out that println.
B is
B is
bigger.
bigger. Very good. B
Bigger.
is bigger. B is bigger. Now here what to write? If I want to check C, then what is again here the condition?
Else C.
Else is bigger.
Again we have to check
Else
if C is greater than A and C is greater than B. We have to write like that, right?
yes.
If we have to write like this.
No.
Yeah, no need. Because if this is not, then this is. If both are not, then who are going to be bigger?
C
Obviously,
is bigger.
obviously C is bigger. Then why you have to check the condition again? Just write else C is bigger.
Print C is bigger.
Else C is bigger. Okay. Then print C value. That's it. Clear everybody? Shall we test it?
Yes.
Yeah. So running and then here okay, I did not write enter the values. Okay. Enter the values. So I am entering the values 30, then 60, then 80. Okay. Now what is the value? What is the output you will get? What's the output you will get?
80.
80. Meaning like what it
C is
will
bigger.
print? C is bigger. C is bigger because A value is 30. Here we have taken three values. For 30 is into A, 60 is into B and 80 is into C. So when I press enter, what it will print? C is bigger. Okay, how it was executing? First it will come to the 12th line. A is greater than B. What's the value of A? 30 is greater than 60. 30 is greater than 60. Yeah? False. False. So one what is the condition of AND operator? If one condition is false also, it will not check the another one. It is false only. Okay na? Now it will come. Did it check this one? No, because this is AND operator. If one condition is false, that's it, khatam. Okay, it won't check. Then it will come to the else part. Now else, what is here? 60. B is greater than A. 60 is greater than 30. True, correct. One condition is true. And next, 60 is greater than, C value what? 80. 60 is greater than 80. Yeah. No, condition is false. According to AND operator, if one condition is true, another condition is false means obviously it is a false. Then it won't enter into this block. Then obviously which block it will execute? The final block will be
C block.
executed. The C block will be executed. Clear, everybody? See, I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
to write one more time. Enter the values. Now I want to make B as greater. So what to do? Give 20, then 60, then 30. What will be the output? B is greater because 60. Now you know, right, how it was checking? Clear, everybody? If
Yes.
this condition is true, then it does not come to this else part. When it comes to the else part, only if the condition is false, then only it comes to the else part. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I want to make A as bigger, then enter the values like that. 100, okay, 20, then 60. Okay, then A is greater. Here itself the condition is true. So from 16th line to 24th line, it won't execute. Only it will execute when the condition is false. Clear, everybody? Clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
clear.
yes. Now we will discuss about the now we will discuss about OR operator. In the logical operators only, we will write one more program with OR operator. New. Yes. Okay. So here OR operator, what we will write? So here we will write like we will find out the three sides of the triangle. What is the basic principle of three sides of a triangle? Two sides are greater than or equal to the third side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
PQR. Okay. See, in the triangle there are three sides. Both all the three sides are equal, right?
Yeah.
Yes, bro. If it's an equilateral triangle, yes.
So both the all the three sides of a triangles are equal because it should be in a three sides, it should be equal, then only we can call it as a triangle. So there are different shapes in a triangle, but I am talking about the equivalent triangle, not 90 degrees triangle, 75 degrees, not like that. Equivalent triangle means three sides must be equal, right? So we will write like that: system dot out dot enter three sides of triangle. So int a equal to c dot next int b equal to c dot Next thing, three sides. So first we will take two sides, then we will equivalent to the third side. Okay. Now we will check if both A and B, if I add both A and B, then it should be equal to the C value, right? Then that is called a equivalent triangle. Okay. So if A plus B, okay, is greater than or equal to greater than or equal to greater than or equal to C, okay, or 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 uh, A plus B, or else A plus C. A plus C is greater than or equal to A plus C is greater than or equal to A plus C is greater than or equal to B. 1 second, guys. If A plus B is greater than or equal to B, or B plus C. B plus C is greater than or equal to A. Is greater than or equal to A. Okay, then we will print system dot out dot println valid triangle. Valid triangle. Okay, or else it is invalid. Is invalid. It is invalid. Okay, so like this we are writing. Okay, so we have to enter like that values also. Okay, see. Now I am printing 5, okay, then 5 and then 10. What is the valid triangle? Because see, A value 5, B value 5. 5 plus 5 how much? 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. False, right? Equal to is there. Equal to is there. So we can call it as a valid triangle. Okay. Or if we give one more value, you should give the values like that. Or if one condition is true also, it's okay, it won't go to the next condition. If one condition is true also, it is okay, it won't go to the next condition. Clear everybody about this example?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Hello,
Yes. Yeah, everybody clear about it?
ma'am.
uh, yes, ma.
Ma'am, can you repeat me once again?
See, if any one of the condition is true, then it won't go to the next one. See, for example, we will write like this. For example, enter the three triangle, three sides. One is 6, another one is 3, another one is 11. I will give. Now, what is this? 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how it was? 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 means what? 6 plus 3, how much? 9.
Right.
9, tell ma. Tell some, you want to talk something? Did I write any mistake?
No, no, ma'am.
Here invalid, here valid, 4,
Nine.
invalid triangle. Why? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10.
10.
No. True. 10 is less than or equal to 10. True only, right? Equal to is there, no? What is the principle of triangular length? What's the
Condition we have to give greater than or equal to, then it will be right.
somewhere we did the like a triangle. Somewhere we did some mistake. Okay. Okay. You
Triangle
understand.
actually it will be on the
You understand the
Madam, we have
concept,
written
right? Yeah. You understand the concept, right? The or operator, the and operator, and the not operator. You understand the and operator example?
yes,
The
ma'am.
example.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So based on these example, you can try one more example with or operator. See, if any one of the condition is false, also it should come. Like for example, mm, logical operators. Like for example, or operator. If you take any one of the age, age you take, and then if the age is greater than 10 and sorry, if age is less than 18 and equal to less than 8, no, if the entered age is below 18 to no 8, if the entered age is greater than 18 or equal to 18, then valid for vote, like that you try. Okay. Or else if the age is age is 20 to 20 25, okay, then it should print like a you are in a youth, like that. Take some age examples and then print old age, or else you are in youth, or else you are into age between 30 to 40, you are in middle age, then after 60s you are in old age, so like that you print by taking some examples. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Hello.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. So now
Yeah, okay.